You seem quiet today. What's wrong?
It's my stepmother again.
What happened?
She yelled at me this morning. Over something so small.
What was it?
I forgot to put my shoes away. She made it such a big deal.
That doesn't sound fair.
It's never fair. She always finds something to complain about.
Does your dad know?
I don't think he sees it. Or maybe he ignores it.
Have you told him?
A few times. He says she's just stressed.
That's no excuse.
I know. But what can I do?
You shouldn't have to put up with this.
Don't think she likes me, Jack.
That's on her, not you.
It feels like it's my fault sometimes.
Don't think that. You're amazing, Amma.
Thanks, but it's hard. She makes me feel small.
You're not small. You're stronger than you think.
I wish I believed that.
I believe it, and I'm here for you, always.
That means a lot, Jack.
Anytime. You don't deserve this.
I just wish things were.
They can be one day. You'll be free from this.
I hope so.
Until then, I've got your back.
Thanks. I really needed this talk.
Anytime. Amma, you're not alone in this.
I'm glad you're my friend.
Always.
Let me know in the comments which sentence was your favorite, or share your practice sentences with me. Emma talking to her dad about her stepmother behavior. Dad, can I talk to you about something?
Of course. Emma, what's on your mind?
It's about her, my stepmother.
What about her?
She's not kind to me, Dad.
Emma, what do you mean?
She's always on my case. I can't do anything right in her eyes.
Are you sure you're not just misunderstanding her? She has a lot on her plate.
I'm not misunderstanding, Dad. She yells at me for small things. Today, it was my shoes by the door.
That's not great, but maybe she was just stressed.
It's not just today. It's all the time. She makes me feel like I'm a problem.
I'm sure she doesn't mean to make you feel that way.
Then why does it happen so often? Why does she treat me like I don't belong here?
Emma, she's adjusting, too. It's not easy for her either.
I get that. But why does her adjustment mean I have to suffer?
I didn't realize you felt this way.
Because you're not here to see it, Dad. When you're around, she's different.
Are you saying she acts this way only when I'm not home?
Mostly yes. And when I try to talk to her, she shuts me down.
I had no idea it was this bad.
I've tried to tell you before, but you always defend her.
I didn't mean to dismiss you. I just thought things would get better over time.
They're not. They're getting worse.
I'm sorry, Emma, I should have paid more attention.
I just want to feel like I belong here, Dad.
You do belong here. This is your home.
It doesn't feel like it when she's always making me feel unwanted.
I'll talk to her. I'll make sure she understands how you feel.
Do you think it'll help?
I don't know, but I'll try. You're my daughter, Emma. Your happiness matters to me.
I just want things to be better. I'm tired of feeling like this.
I hear you, and I'll do everything I can to fix this.
Thanks, Dad. I just needed you to listen.
I'm sorry I didn't see it sooner. You don't deserve this, Emma.
Thanks. That means a lot.
We'll work on this together, okay? You're not alone in this.
Okay. I just hope she listens.
She will. I'll make sure of it.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more English learning videos.